the battery because it uses solar energy. Only needs light to automatically charge. I mean, no need to expose to sunlight. Number 2. No need for internet capacity. Just because PI connects directly to Elon Musk Starlink, which has a global coverage network. By the way, if you guys don't know what is Elon Musk Starlink, let me know in the comment section. I will make next video on this topic. So let's go to our today topics. Number 3. This phone has Earth, Moon, Mars connection. Number 4. PI phone could connect to your brain through neurochip. Elon Musk is also going to launch his autonomous vehicles. I mean Tesla's V-Robot. This car is known as V-Robot. Even on Thursday, CEO Elon Musk unveiled the Cybercab, an innovative two-seater autonomous vehicle designed without steering wheel or pedals. The exclusive showcase in Burbank, California, featured 21 Cybercabs and 50 other autonomous vehicles. Elon Musk announced that the Cybercab is expected to retail for under $30,000, with production anticipated to begin before 2027. He's also introduced plans for an electric robo-van which can accommodate up to 20 passengers and highlighted advertisement in Tesla full self-driving FSD technology. Despite previous delays in his promise for autonomy, Elon Musk reframed the company's dedication to achieve unsupervised FSD by next year in Texas and California. Attendees enjoyed test rides and interaction with Tesla's humanoid robot Optimus before the event concluded with the dancing robots. Peace off.